Okay guys, currently I'm trading my funded account from Apex. Okay, so as of now, may trade ako ngayon. Nag-enter ako sa 716 level. Okay, ang stop loss ko sa low lang na to. Ang reason for entry ko is silver bullet. Okay, meron tayong liquidity void sa taas na gustong kunin ng price. Nag-enter ako sa 30 seconds chart. Tapos, hinihintay ko na lang matapos yung trade. Okay? Bakit dito yung take profit natin? Kasi, ito yung liquidity na ginawa ng price pagka-open ng, pagka-start ng silver bullet. Ayan. Okay? And TP. Peace. So that was 240 USD. My trade during London session. Okay, so everything went well.
Order cancelled.
See you tomorrow. Peace out.